Hello my friends, I thought of making instant raw mango pickles for you. Let's begin and see how instant raw mango pickle is made. You would require red chili powder, asafoetida, salt, um, some fenugreek seeds, methi seeds, mustard seeds, rye. This is black pepper powder, and this is a tablespoon of lemon juice, and of course a quarter cup of oil. I've taken 3 mangoes here for this recipe. Now see, here I have taken the 3 mangoes which I showed you. I've chopped them, and now I'm adding a spoon and a half, teaspoon and a half of salt. I'll mix it all together like so and leave it overnight. Here my dear friends, I would like to mention is when you leave the raw mangoes here with salt, you please take a plastic vessel or any glass vessel. Otherwise, if you take steel or any aluminium vessel to keep it overnight, it might corrode. So first let's begin with the tempering. For tempering, I have taken oil here. You have to reduce the flame. That is quarter cup of oil. When it heats up well, that is, you can see the fumes. When it heats up well, you add the mustard seeds and then the fenugreek seeds. Rest of the ingredients will be adding directly. After this, the tempering has to cool down completely to the room temperature before adding it into the pickles. As you can see, the fumes have come up and the oil is well heated. This is when you have to add mustard seeds and switch off the flame, as this much temperature is enough for the seeds to splutter. You can as well add hing into it and let this tempering cool down completely to the room temperature before you add it into the pickles. Now here, if you see, I have strained the methi and mustard seed and crushed it. Now I'll be adding all the dry ingredients or masalas into this. So as I told you, now here I have added red chili powder, salt, pepper powder and lime juice to this mixture, and this salty water which is released, I'll be adding it. Now as you can see, I have added this masala, salty water to this masala paste, and we'll be doing the paste out of it, and this paste will be adding to the raw mangoes. And now I have added this masala paste which I showed you by mixing the salty water. Now here you can see the oil has cooled down completely, as I am holding it in my hand, and very little oil that I am using here. Is the secret is I am using salty water released by its own juices, the salt which I put in raw mangoes. So then that is the secret, where it also works as a preservative. So though it is a instant mango pickle, still it stays for lot of days, many months, if you wish to do it in quantity. But this kind of pickle at my place does not stay for more than a week, because As you can see, the raw mango pickle is ready. It is instant. It is mouth watering and tempting. If you like to watch my videos, you like to my channel and also subscribe into it, and there is a comment box where you can always comment. So dear friends, it is so simple to make raw mango pickles. It is instant and mouth watering. It will get over also very fast because it is that tempting. If you like my videos, please subscribe into my channel, and don't forget to click on like button.